everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build LEGO bricks. So today we're going to be looking at a set number 9440 from LEGO Ninjago, and it was released in 2011. So without further ado, let's get started. So this set comes with one minifigure, and that is this white ninja that we have over here called Zane. Now, I do believe that he's supposed to resemble the Ninja of Ice, and over here he has plenty of white get-up. That's his main color over here, with some accents done in a light tan color along the edges of his sort of Japanese style clothing. We also have some black gloves on his hands, and his mask over here is full white, as you can see, just covers the head like this, and has a sort of golden finish to the top of the crown over here. As you can see, the torso over here has a sort of brown sachet printed onto it with some straps. Looks like some shiny silver points sticking in there as well. And also we have the print going all the way down to the legs over here. We also have these golden shoulder pads over here fitted around the neck. And around the back we have a sort of round holder for some katana swords or something like that. So here's the back of the torso without the shoulder pads. We can see the rest of the brown sachet over there, plain white legs over here, and a golden emblem. Looks like some sort of frozen creature over there. And if we turn around, here's how Zane looks unmasked. He has a sort of very plain expression over here. The main part of this set is this sort of small shrine over here, which I believe is Zane's mission. So if I get this right, this little shrine belongs to a rival snake tribe called the Venomari, and they have a special scepter here in the middle amongst all of this foliage, venom and enemy snakes. So first of all, this little build is fairly small, only about 9 centimeters in height and only about 10 centimeters in width. As for the main design of this, it looks like slightly rocky and slightly jungly as well at the same time. First of all, we have an action feature to do with these snakes over here. So at the back over here we have 2 of these levers with these tiles and some yellow base plates underneath them, and they are like sort of little mini seesaws, and if you hold on to the construction over here and push the back ends just like this, the snakes will flip out of their positions and, well, attack the camera. So first of all, the base of this construction is pretty basic. We've got some dark grey and some dark tan as well to make the construction look a little bit rocky. And over here going up the sides, we have some brickwork over here as well, some extra pieces to work with the function of the flipping mechanism. And we also have some leaf pieces as well to make it look a little bit overgrown. We also have these slope pieces here on the sides as well. And going up the top here, we have the main sort of snake head at the top. We've got more textured bricks going along the sides over here, and we have a printed slope piece over here. It's made to look sort of like brick work, but with venom trailing all through it. Now what's obvious over here at the facade of this shrine over here is that we have these 2 little transparent green bars to be sort of like dripping venom from over here, and balanced precariously between them is this little scepter over here, which we will have a closer look later on. So we've got this simple handle just to hold the scepter in position, and over here at the base, going in between these slope pieces over here at the base, we have some light green base plates first of all, and on top of them some trans blue, almost fluorescent color of these grills over here to be a stream of venom. And as for the flipping mechanisms, they're just made out of these black tiles, very well hidden away since they're so dark. And we also have a few little extra accent colors in here as well. Let's just note the dark blue tubular pieces down here at the bottom. We've got these red mechanical pieces underneath the flipping mechanisms. And over here near the head, don't know if you can see it very well, but we also have a dark red wedge piece hidden underneath this snake head. So overall, this is a nice little bit of scenery. So let's go back and have a closer look at some of the parts of this set. So first of all, let's have a look at these green snakes that were flipping about everywhere.
So we do get 2 of them in this set to be equally as formidable. Now, first of all, let's have a look at the heads over here. So we've got these very small slit eyes over here, and we have 2 short little fangs here at the front. We have an attachment point, so we can attach it to a stud as well. And over here on the top of the heads, we have these sort of diamond patterns inset into there. We've got a little bit of grip over here. Looks half like a rattlesnake sort of end to a tail, but it also can be used as a handhold. Well, if you want to use the snakes as a weapon as well. Now let's have a look at the golden snake scepter, which is the main sort of goal in this set. So this is done in this gold, as you can see, and it has a nice sort of design to it. At the top over here we have a sort of cobra shaped head with very tiny eyes and fangs detailed into the mold over there, and we also have the tail winding around the main stick as well. And here we have almost a sort of vial over here set into the golden scepter. So as you can see, this is a printed tile with a sort of insignia over here with a little drip and surrounded by a ring of drips as well. And apparently this is supposed to cure the venom of the enemy tribe itself, and this would, I believe, be carried by the general of the tribe. We have a little silver grey katana sword over here. So this is very simple. It's just silver grey sort of blade. Is a little bit wonky here because I've been playing it about a very long time. But anyways, we've got a little stripy handle over here, and this can fit to the back of Zane. We have 2 slots over here, one over here and another one more up front, so you can stick it in like this over here to be carried about, or you can stick it like here so as well. That's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!